All right, guys, welcome back. We are here at O'Neill Forebay to do some striper fishing. You know, there's no more tournaments around, so here we are just going to be enjoying ourselves, doing some fun fishing. It is quite a bit of a long drive for us. We did get on the water late today. It is currently 1 p.m. The park closes at 5 p.m., but we have to be off the water before 4:30 p.m. So we are roughly around 3 hours to fish. But hopefully we get on them. You know, I'm going to go up shallow and see if we get some bites doing that. If we don't, we're going to come out deep and do some spooning and stuff. Hopefully we get on them, guys. Hopefully the bite is good for us. All right, start up shallow. Gonna throw a glide bait for a bit, see if we get any followers. One. First cast with it too. Threw the top water over there and didn't get a bite, but first cast with this copperhead. Got clobbered. Jeez, there's a couple of them down there with him. Good little keeper. That's a nice one. That's a good keeper. 21, 22 incher. Good one to start the day. I guess we're throwing this for a while, then if they're eating it like that. I'm throwing a topwater over there to see if I get a blow up, but nothing, I don't know. Oh, that's another one right there. Jeez. This is a ton of fun. Oh, jeez. All good ones too. Another solid fish, about a 19, 20 incher. My trailer. Oh gosh, got hammered right there. can't tell me that's not fun right there. That's a little jinker. It's probably like 18-incher, but jeez. That's the one thing that's good about throwing a bait with a jig hook. You only got one hook to deal with, unlike a lipless or a topwater lure. You got a few hooks to deal with, and these guys just try their best to try to stick you. So little squeaker. That's a good one. That's a big one. That's a fatty. Whew. Nice. Check that chunk out. Fatty right here.
Doing any good?
Oh, I guess they're on maybe 19 to 22s. Nothing like really crazy.
Yeah.
You?
I caught a couple this morning, nothing big.
Huh?
It's definitely slowed down for the last couple of weeks.
It's just if you run into like a little small pack and you catch them. If you don't, I mean, you just...
Yeah, you just gotta, once you find them, they're there, yeah.
Right. It's like,
Yeah.
I was able to catch like maybe like 4 or 5 like back to back, and then, you know, you search a while and then you catch 1 or 2 more, and then a little bit more grinding around, you know.
Yeah, I was kind of looking around. I haven't seen any boils or anything yet, but
Yeah. I haven't seen one boil today yet either, so.
yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah.
What are you throwing? A swim bait, you said?
I'm throwing chatterbait.
Oh, chatterbait.
Yeah.
Not the topwater chatterbait?
No. It's you want to see it?
Yeah, yeah.
It sounds like a lipless crankbait, but it's really loud. It's not like your other, like your traditional kind of chatterbaits.
Oh, okay, got ya.
Yeah,
All right.
but
The chatterbaits I was thinking of was like the topwater ones.
oh no, this one has 2 BBs in the front, so when the blade swings, it knocks on it, so it's really loud.
Got ya.
So these fish are really keyed in on the loud noise.
Yeah. It happens. All right, man. Take care.
You too, man. All right, guys. So the bite got pretty tough. You know, we got a quick flare right there, but got a few taps and stuff, but no really fish really committing. Probably small ones. You know, got pretty lucky right there, but right now it's just really slow. Gotta wait for another school to pull in or stumble across another little small pack like we did earlier. You know, I tried a few other baits, didn't get any bites. You know, so I'm just back here throwing a bladed jig because that's what got me those bigger bites. So I just stick with that. Maybe when the sun gets a little bit lower, start throwing that top water a little bit. We got roughly about an hour and 30 minutes left to fish. And we gotta start making a long run back. So that's the thing that sucks about coming here is that you have to be off the water by sunset. And usually when it's sunset, that's when the fishing gets really good. But you know, so far so good. We've done pretty good so far. So you know, for a little quick session, that's a pretty successful day. You know, I don't see any really bait fish activity, no boils or nothing going on. It's just, you know, random casting until you hit one. So it's not like you're targeting these big, massive schools that you see people posting online. They're giant schools and stuff, but it's not like that. But the good thing is that when you do get a bite, most likely it's going to be a keeper, not catching a lot of those little 10 to 15 inches. If you get bit, it's going to be like a 19-inch plus. So that's actually pretty good. Well, what's been getting me all the bites today is it's first gen copperhead. It's a bladed jig, but it has BBs that knock, so it's very loud, kind of similar to lipless, but since it's a bladed jig, it works through the grass very nicely. You know, it doesn't get hung up a lot, so it's still got that really loud, high-pitched noise that gets them to bite. Right now the water is kind of a little dirty, so as much noise you can make, it definitely helps. There's one. Took a long time. That's a good one. Oh, came off. No way. Nice little keeper. Let's measure him, might keep him. My brother just called me and said he wanted to, so I wasn't gonna keep any fish today, but keep two keepers. There's a 19 incher. We're good to go. All right, guys. 19 inches. Took a little longer, but finally picked another one up. These are the guys that will tag you.
Good, you?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Damien.
Yeah.
I met you once before.
What's your name?
Terrence.
Terrence.
I met you at Horseshoe Bend. You were with John Myers.
Oh, okay.
I was in Snelling at the gas station, and he was waiting for you.
Oh, that's
Remember
right.
that day? And I pulled up, and he thought I was you, so he come to say hey, and then he realized, oh, that's not Damien. And you pulled up 5 minutes later, and you guys were going to go to Horseshoe Bend, and I was going to go to Barrett's Cove.